Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I am going to fix the zipper on this fleece jacket here. This is a Columbia fleece jacket. I've had it for a long time. I like it. I wear it a lot. But the zipper busted off a long time ago and I just haven't replaced it. So I ordered this kit here and it came with a bunch of different stuff, zippers and different parts in here, but no instructions. So, I think I know how to do this and I want to share it with you guys and we'll see if it works together. But, when you use a zipper, there's one side that the zipper stays on and then one side that you put into the zipper when you use it. And what happened here is they had like a little plastic piece at the bottom here. Sometimes this might be metal. But the zipper, I think, just came off. I just lost it at some point. So you can see the plastic right here is, apart. So what we have to do is to find the right size zipper. And from doing some research, it seems like this uses a number 5 zipper, which is this one right here or this one right here. And then I'm going to take off this plastic coating here, and then we'll put on the new zipper, and then I'll put a new stopper. I'm not sure what the official name is, but I'm going to put a new stopper down here to keep the zipper from coming off. And yeah, from the company it said these were both number 5 zippers. But I like this black one more just because it blends in better. So let me take off this plastic part and I'll be right back. Okay, so this one was not the number 5 zipper. This one was smaller. This is the number 5 zipper right here, this one. So this is the one that I'm going to use. I've taken off the plastic here, and then there's like a big side and then a smaller side. And the big side is what goes on first. And we can see that zipper fits on there and goes up and down. You want to make sure that you pick the right size zipper for whatever you are working with. And let's see here. I don't really have any leverage, but yeah, there we go. Look, it zips up. So we know that this zipper works for this fleece. So now what I need to do is we need to put the zipper on this side. And then let me get this package opened up here. So what I'm going to do with this one here is I'm going to put it at the bottom here, like this, just right at the bottom of where the zipper stops. And I'm just going to pinch this down with a pair of pliers. Maybe not even that. I was able to just squeeze it with my fingers and it just kind of clamped on there. I'm worried though about how long that will stay on there. So I'm still going to come in here with a pair of needle nose pliers and just tighten this down just a little bit more. Can't tell if these are plastic or metal. Kind of feels like plastic, but let's see here now if this. So that stops it. So as long as I'm not really, really hard on it. And it looks like it's staying in place too. And it kind of moved. Yeah, let me go get my safety glasses on and a pair of, I'm going to use needle nose pliers and I'm going to clamp this down and then we'll try the zipper again and see if it moves this piece at all. So I'll be right back. Okay, I have my safety glasses on, and make sure that you do the same whenever you're working with tools. Make sure that you always wear the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. Okay, so now I'm just going to be gentle on it just because I don't want to break it, but I also want to make sure that that's on there tight. If I need to, maybe I'll put another one below it, maybe? I don't know. Let's see here. The zipper just pulled right over that, and I'm able to bend it back with my fingers. So let me see what other options I have here. Okay, so you basically get 2 different types of parts in here. You get this one here, which is called a bottom stop, and then they're calling these one the top stops. The problem with the bottom stop is it's meant to clip between the 2 zippers. like this, which will not work in this scenario because I need to be able to unzip it completely to take it off. So I'm going to have to use the top stops here. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use, I'm going to try to use 2. And I'm going to leave the first one. I think the problem was, I pushed it down too far and it just allowed the zipper to just go right over the top of it with any force. So I'm going to try to leave this one out a little bit. And then the one below it, I'm going to put in tighter just so it hopefully holds it in place. Put another one on here and hopefully between 2 of them, it'll keep the zipper on. It's just a matter of finding the right piece to be able to stop the zipper. And at least we can see that this is working now. Let me try it on. Let's make sure that let's actually make sure it works. It's always hard to zip something up unless you have it on, but let's try here. Okay, I'm just gonna try it on. Okay, so the 2 stoppers did not work out. It just wasn't allowing the zipper to line up properly, and having 2 stoppers in there on this side was stopping this piece from being able to go into the zipper. So it didn't work. So I had to take those off, and then I had to move this one down to be able to line up properly when it zips up. So now it's working like it's supposed to. So if I bring the zipper down like this and then I put this side in like so, and then, oops, I'm just putting some pressure here so I can try to zip this up without having it on, but you can see that it zips up now like it's supposed to. And my only real concern, I'm putting some force on here, and the zipper isn't coming off, so that's a good thing. My only worry is, the longevity of this stopper and how long it will last, going through the washer and that type of thing. So I have extras if I need them, and I'll just have to keep an eye on it to see, make sure that it stays in place and doesn't fall off, and then I end up losing this zipper. So, all right, guys, well, I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.